Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to request long distance trips on Uber. Can you request long distance rides on Uber? Absolutely yes, but with important limitations. Uber doesn't enforce a strict distance cap, but rides are limited to 8 hours per trip, after which the app automatically ends the trip. Not all drivers accept long distance trips, especially those over 45 minutes or with no guaranteed return fare. So step 1, enter your destination. Normally how to do that: open the Uber app and tap on where are you going. That's the tab you're going to find at the first tab, right? And that's going to walk you here. So here we have where to enter your destination even if it is far away. Now, review the fare estimate and trip duration. If the time or distance looks large, it's likely a long distance ride. Now, schedule in advance. This is pretty much optional. You can use Uber Reserve to book rides up to 90 days in advance. While Reserve doesn't guarantee a long distance driver, it gives time to find someone willing and allows you to be early. Some drivers may cancel last minute, so just go ahead and click on this pick up now drop down menu and click on later and reserve. That's how it works. Likewise, you can communicate with the driver immediately after you're matched. Send a polite message such as, "Hi, this will be a long trip, say 3 hours. I'd like to tip so in cash. Are you okay with that?" This transparency helps avoid cancellations, and it pretty much works like magic because communication is involved. Because drivers often return empty or are away from their local area, a tip of 20 to 30% is common for long distance rides. So let the driver know upfront about tip offers. It makes your request stand out. Try requesting again or increase your tip promise if matched and driver cancel. If matched and driver cancels, try requesting again or increase your tip promise. If needed well in advance, you might book a shorter trip first, message that driver, and arrange the long distance ride if they agree. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.